Exhibit 4.10 is an excellent example of how the same line can be bearish. As in the Hanging Man line on January 29, or bullish the hammer on February 22. Although both the Hanging Man and hammer in this example have white bodies, the color of the real body is not of consequence. Exhibit 4.10, Microsoft Daily Hanging Man and Hammer. On the vertical axis, 89 at the top, 70 at the bottom. Looks like it ends on the 17th. And these are daily charts. 17th of January, and it goes to the 17th of March. Returning to the text. The first line was a hanging man because the trend preceding it was a rally. The hanging man was made at new highs for the move. The next day, February 1, the market closed lower than the hanging man's real body, leaving all those new longs who bought on the hanging man's open or close in pain. The line on February 22 was a hammer because it followed a downtrend. The session before the hammer was a small real body. This was an early clue that the bear's drive was being inhibited. The hammer was more bullish proof of this. And exhibit 4.11 on December 13th, we see an upside breakout from a short-term box range, the Japanese term for a lateral trading range. The rally from this breakout continued with 3 extended white real bodies, each of which opened near its low and closed at or near its high. This underscored the bull's domination. Some cautionary signals emerged after the third long white candle when a series of candles with upper shadows arose. Note also what was happening with the slope of the highs as we got these upper shadows. The slope from one high to the next was decreasing, shown by the curving line. That meant although new highs were still being made, the pace of the rally was slackening. See Exhibit 4.11. Unibanco, União de Bancos Brasileiros, Daily Hanging Man. The price, there's 33 at the top, 24 at the bottom on the vertical axis and then on the horizontal axis, January 2nd that's November 2nd, pardon me. It looks like, not quite sure. Anyway, there's a graph depiction of decreasing slope of rally highs and a hanging man at the top. Returning to the text. The real hint that the bulls were losing control of the market was with a hanging man session. Not only was this a hanging man session, but it was also the first black real body and the first spinning top of the rally. Confirmation of the hanging man came at the next session's close under the hanging man's real body. An attempt a couple days later to push the market higher stalled near $32 via a series of long upper shadows.